Hello all. There was a question about captioning in Zoom. So during our Zoom session, I clicked on the closed caption and I was amazed by the accuracy of it. So notice that I got the link for the audio transcript of the cloud recording, or you can get it to your machine. So notice when I click on this link there, I get the video, but see how the transcript is right there? So what I would do is I would copy this. So you just click and copy and then do some editing and then save it as a notepad or PDF and include that in your course. This way you are accessible, though the student, when they see it, they're going to see the accessibility.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining
us. And so notice when
I
click on the link,
orientation of our certificate program, and also
so I think I clicked it in,
and we really encourage.
And I'm going to pause it. It actually, I was amazed by its accuracy, and I would see it being typed and then recorrected depending on the meaning rather. So use that feature, copy and paste all of these into a Word document, which is really easy. Notice that I can just, highlight all of this and then right click, Control C and copy. I hope this is helpful.